Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping. And if you like this item, all you gotta do is add it to your cart right now and check out so they can ship it to you fast. And also see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it, guys. Prime Day is fast approaching. 17 days, 18 days. So you might want to grab this now. They are on sale. There we go. This is coming from Apeman. LCD digital projector. LCD, bada boom. Portable design, multiple inputs. Home cinema, carrying case. Yeah, this is a big guy. Alright, so this will be a nice graduation gift, birthday gift. Gift to yourself. Nice addition to add to your movie room, your game room. Here we go. And of course we're going to test it out. Now we go downstairs. Oh boy, heavy. Hey, whoa. It's like a combo. I already have a screen. That's pretty cool. You get a screen with it. And most of these companies don't never send a screen with the projectors, which they should, even if it's this kind. You know what I mean? This will definitely work. Just be careful where you cut it. Alright, this clock. So, 100-inch projector screen. Wow. You get the clamps and all that good stuff. But I already got a nice size projector screen downstairs, so I don't know, I might find another spot for it, or you never know. Have all weekend to figure that out, but right now I can show you guys what it looks like and all that good stuff. We're going to test out this guy right here, the Apeman. Definitely excited. Pretty basic cloth, you know. Just hook it to there and drop it down. Nice 100-inch size cloth. Really cool. Put that aside for now. Now the main attraction is this little guy in here. Apeman. Nice travel case so you can take it outside, on the road. Hook up your Nintendo Switch, PS5, all that good stuff. Xbox. It comes with the remote control. Pretty standard size. Probably need some AAA batteries. Yep. AAA batteries. This is a nice little startup package though. You get audio, video, old school. The HDMI. That's really good. And whoa. You got two Q-tips. The cloth to clean the lens. And they hook you guys up. Power cord. Manual. Pretty much we should all know how to use these, but we don't need those. Father's Day is coming up. This would be a nice gift to give for Father's Day. And they're really affordable too, so I mean, definitely it's a nice little lunch bag-ish kind of. Apeman is the key. Alright, let's take a look at her. Here she is, guys. Don't be shy. So all you gotta do, guys, click the link down below, add this to your cart, check out, and they'll ship this to you really fast. Wow, this is a nice size. It's not that heavy at all. Power. I think that's just like the modes. Menu. Adjuster. Make sure you take off this cap. Here's the back VGA or IR. On the side, you get 2 HDMI's, a micro SD, headphones, AV, 2 USB, VGA, so I can hook it up to my computer, and then you can mount it. And I got these little guys right down here. It's kind of like an extra, a mini stand for it, kind of like that. But it depends on how you want to adjust it. Bada boom. There's IR2. So there's what, 2 spots. IR back, IR front. Whoa. Here is this lens. Ooh, nice LCD screen. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to set up, clean up a little bit downstairs, and then we'll hook this bad boy up. Definitely excited. Stay tuned. Be right back. Alrighty guys, we got it set up pretty good. I just gotta adjust it a little bit more from the Apeman projector. Sounds really good. There we go. But this is the cloth that came with it. So I got my screen right there, but this is the cloth. And that looks really good. So maybe, you know, camping trip outside, backyard movie night, game night, whatever you want to use it for. But super quiet also, the fan. I got my computer running into it and my Sega Mini. Got the super high impact football going. But really cool. But I just gotta adjust it more and figure out where I'm gonna set it up still. It's just kind of a little bit bigger. I just gotta move it around. I'll figure it out by this weekend, but really good picture quality, especially for gaming. Movies I'll test out later. That'll be on Instagram because of copyright issues. I'll test it on Instagram, but for gaming, really good. Zoom in a little bit more. Zoom out. So definitely check them out, guys. Apeman, Amazon. Be safe. Have a good night.